What's up everyone, it's Justin Explorer here. It's Tuesday, it's a glorious day. We're back at the Forest Recreation Ground checking out more Goose Fair 2025 construction. So as you can see, it's looking way different to Sunday. And as I said on Sunday, it would probably be about 90% done, and yeah, it's probably at least 90% done, if not more. Got the wheels turning, that one's having its gondolas put on. We've got the Max over there testing. You can see with the white dome on top, that is Dante's Ear making its return after 10 years. Let's zoom in. Pew! As it is now all closed off, I'm going to see what we can get from the perimeter. Got a helter-skelter and a rotor wall there. As I suspected, atmosphere is there, where it normally is. Got the limbo dancer and the test track dodgems in the background. And the rides from last year that hasn't been set up yet as the Joker. Still plenty of time. I say it's only Tuesday, it's about 4:30. The Super Bowl of the Extreme just in the background. Again, sorry these aren't great, but it is now fenced off so we can't get on. There's the Hulk in the background, Hulk Super Trooper. There's Ice Jet looking pretty much complete. Lighting's being tested. And the Star Flyers. Animal Kingdom in its normal place. Some of the kiddie rides there, and you can see the slingshot in the background. Off in the distance, New York's back. Pew! There it is. We've got the second Magic Mouse coaster, Aerospace and Top Scan. All next to each other as they were last year. There we go. Got the turbo. Even on Tuesday at R4 there's still rides coming on site. There we go. So here we are up at Food Alley then. I've managed to get in. Not everything's set up yet, but as I say, it doesn't open till Friday. It is only Tuesday night, and the food stalls are set up in a matter of hours, so that's to be expected. There are still things coming on. From the back we can see Apollo 13 that made its debut here last year. That is back. We've got the Freak Out. Silcox, I think. Oh no, that's Tornado, sorry. I think Freak Out is here. The Red Devil, which is a carbon copy of Atmosphere, that's here. I can't go all the way down. Looks like that is closed off, but let's do another zoom. Pew! New ride making its debut this year. North Pole Funhouse. It wasn't as closed off as I thought it was, so I've been able to go a bit further down. Just heading back up towards the Scout Lot now. And it is all go, go, go. We've got the Vintage Fun Fair section and the kiddie ride section, along with a Kentucky Derby and a staple of Nottingham Goose Fair mushy peas and mint sauce. I've been hanging around for the last few hours just to see if you can see any more testing. There's some light testing, and there is a swinging ride down the bottom. It's not a Freak Out, but similar-ish. But that's about it from the fair today. Pretty much all I can show you, so yeah. I'll probably be back here on Thursday. Not too sure yet, but definitely be here on Friday for opening day. So, if you like what I do, click like. Please do hit that subscribe button, it really does help the channel out. Tick that notification bell, leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.